welcome to this video. We're going to see how we can reset an MTN MiFi. We are MTN MiFi, to see how to reset it. We are logged in on MTN MiFi, so you can see this. This is the evidence of the fact that we are logged in on our MTN MiFi. You can see it's connected. This is MTN MiFi. We're connected to it. So this is the MTN MiFi dashboard. Just in case your MiFi is malfunctioning and it's not functioning properly, in this video we're going to see how you can reset it to default settings. So to get to this particular dashboard of the MTN MiFi, you have to use the IP 192.168.0.1. That's what you will log in, input it into your browser, and it will take you down to this dashboard. So to reset your MTN MiFi, from this front page of this dashboard, you click on Advanced Settings. When it takes you, from this left side menu, you click on Device Settings. From Device Settings, you will see this Reset button on the left side, and ensure that before you reset, ensure that you have the default password of your MiFi, and it will take you, once this is reset, it will, if you already change your password, it will take you back to your default password of the MiFi. So ensure you have it stored somewhere before you reset. So to reset, you just click Reset here. As you can see, Reset Factory Settings. Come here and confirm reset. As you can see, it says the parameters will be reset to factory defaults. This device will be restarted. So you click yes. As you can see, it shows successful. So let us reset now. As you can see, the Wi-Fi has been logged out. I've been logged out from the MiFi. It's no longer connected. It's no longer connected. So we now have to log in back to our MiFi since we have reset it. So we come here. As you can see, this is the MTN MiFi now. If we ask us now we have to reconnect it back. So you click on Connect. So you cannot. So it has been reconnected. So let us reload this. This default password here is admin. Then you log in. So that's how you can reset your MTN password. That's how you can reset your MTN MiFi and that take you back to default settings. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next video.